Grimes Trucking would like to take this time to show you how to properly pre-trip a 53-foot dry van. We've got one sitting outside hooked up, so let's walk outside and go through it. After you've hooked the truck up to the trailer and made sure that the fifth wheel is securely locked onto the kingpin, you want to take your pigtails, your air line, and your electrical line and make sure they're secure on the trailer. You want to check your air lines to make sure that you don't have any leaks, and then check your electrical line when you hook it up to make sure that it's seated securely in the 7-way. After you do that, you want to check to make sure you can see the registration in the bubble on the trailer, and check the annual inspection sticker on the trailer to make sure that it is current. We're now going to roll the landing legs up on the trailer, making sure that the gear is turning freely and there's no problem. Make sure when you're finished rolling it up that you secure the handle in its proper location. You want to walk down the length of the trailer, checking underneath the trailer to make sure you're checking for any cracks, any unusual wear, any damage. You want to work your way back to the rear. At this time, you also want to take a look under the chassis of the trailer to make sure that everything looks well, no damage. Check your brakes, your brake linings. Make sure they're not down to the wear bar. There's a wear indicator on the brake linings. If it gets close, you need to notify your dispatching shop right away. Check your tires. Make sure everything looks good, that they're above the 2/32 required by the DOT, that there's no unusual wear. Check your mud flaps. Make sure your mud flaps are in good condition. With your electrical on, you want to make sure that you check your turn signals, your brake lights, your running lights. Make sure all your lights that are on the trailer work. You've already checked your ABS light to make sure that it's operating properly. You can check your handles on your doors to make sure they operate properly. We're going to open the trailer door. You want to take a look inside. You're checking to see if you see any daylight, so make sure you don't have any holes in your roof or in the sides of the trailer. They're going to cause water to get inside. You want to check the floor to make sure the floor is in good shape. Go ahead and take a walk. Make sure the trailer's in good shape. You're going to go back up the other side of the trailer, checking the mud flap again, checking your tires, taking a look at the brakes, check the brake line and make sure they're not down to the wear indicators. Take a look at your air lines. Make sure everything is properly in place. You don't have any damage. Take a good look under the trailer. Look for cracks along the sides. A good visual inspection before you get ready to roll this trailer. Always remember, there's two sides to every trailer, gentlemen. Just looking at one side doesn't get it. Walk around to the other side, check the other side also. Just always make sure you do a real good pre-inspection on your trailer before you get ready to take it onto the highway. The best way to prevent something from happening is to check it before you roll it. Most of the trailers we have today have the PSI system on it. Make sure that the air lines are connected, they're not leaking, you don't hear any air escaping. After completing a proper pre-trip on your trailer, you should feel confident that you're ready to roll. Have a safe trip.